You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to say the name of this rather famous city in Louisiana, but in French, the sort of original French pronunciation, if you wish, known as Baton Rouge. Baton Rouge is what it means, is red stick. Baton is French for a stick. Rouge is the color red. Baton Rouge, it's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here if you're curious to learn more correct pronunciations, including from French. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.